fun too.
See your nose.
HobbyBabyTV. Your heads are so big.
Oh, look at the kitty. Oh my goodness, how cute.
So that's Daddy back there.
Oh, that's the daddy. Oh,
Yeah.
how cute.
So that's kind of the color also. She's gonna squirm, so make sure you don't let her go. You gonna do it?
Whoa.
You're doing good.
She's about to poop too, so just so you know. Do you want me to take her?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, it's soft. She's so soft.
You're the first person to ever say that. And they're like, oh wow, they're so raw.
Really? No, I was expecting it to be like more like bristly.
I think since they're younger, it is softer. It will get hard. Tired.
Okay, so this is
Tingalo.
Tingalo.
Yeah, Tingalo.
Pretty cute. Oh, they're both cute. What do you think? Which one do you like?
Now we should get it.
Yeah, just gotta hold it tight.
There you go.
Trying to just like this. Put your arm under him and hold him like that.
You like her?
Well, I like it.
Leave her alone.
The daddy.
Echo.
Do you remember where the daddy is?
Stop it. The daddy is up in the bangs.
Oh, there's some frogs over here.
You saw some frogs? I see some birdies. Let's go see the froggies. Oh, look, a little hermit crab. Look at that, how cute.
With food in it.
Aww. There's turtles down here.
Yeah, turtles.
Turtle.
Oh, there's a turtle.
Oh, hey, buddy. Now what's going on? He's saying hi.
Hi guys. What's going on?
Oh, they're hanging out on a rock, rocking out.
Yeah.
Oh, look, he's swimming. You guys see him in there? Aww, how cute.
And there's a fire-bellied toad.
Hey, Hobby Frog, how do you rock out? Show us. How do you rock out?
Here.
Oh, how funny.
Okay.
Right there. It's yellow. I think it's albino.
Albino.
You can see he's got a
Oh.
mouse in there.
Yep. You see his belly, how it's fat?
Uh-huh.
He's probably got a mouse in there.
Hercules. He's very friendly.
Are you very friendly?
Yeah, he came off of his perch and wanted to check us out.
Aww. It's pretty.
Yeah, it's a pretty bird. He prefers handsome bird though.
You think he's a handsome bird?
Yeah.
He's got some good markings.
Yeah.
He's a bird's bird.
Oh, he's backing away. It's okay.
He's like, I don't know what that is.
She's in her pool. Oh, she got out.
I got pee. I got pee. I got pee.
Snorting about. What are you snorting about?
Oh, this is fun too.
See your nose.